In this video, I'll show you how to use Cursor AI to get started with. Firstly, go to cursor.com and download and install the application on your computer. On the first launch, explore the settings to tailor the experience to your needs. Watch a setup video tutorial if available to optimal configuration. Now create a new folder on your computer, then open this folder in Cursor. Left sidebar, which is the File Explorer, center area displays the contents of the open files, and right sidebar, which is home of AI-powered features that help you code with ease. Some features of AI in Cursor: there is AI Chat. Open it via Toggle AI pane. Composer. Think of it as a project-level AI director. And finally, to start small and practical, think of a simple problem or idea. Open Composer and describe what you want the app to do, and watch the cursor bring your idea to life automatically. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. In this tutorial,